Bayad masulom inyo alan. So, sa Bisaya pa, maayong buntag and good morning sa English. Alam ko i-share nga verses sa John chapter 1 verse 1. Gaingon diya nga. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Na-mention diya nga duha ka persons, no? Word and God, and the Word was God. So, ito lang tangay emphasis mo ison. Kaya na mo kayo nagnotana. So, kung imo na siyang basahon sa John 1:14, no? And the Word became flesh and dwelt among us, no? Nahimong tao, kung sa Bisaya pa. Nasa Hebrews chapter 10 verse 5, no? Nga nagaingon, a body has thou prepare me. So, motong giandam nga lawas alang sa kang Jesus Christ, no? So, it means dili siya ordinary nga human because nganong kailangan pa mga kaandaman og lawas, no? The next is mabasa niya sa Matthew 1:21, no? Si Virgin Mary giignan sa usa ka anghel nga ayog kahadlok, no? Then you shall call his name Jesus, for he shall save his people. Mo na siya ang giandam nga lawas nga gingon sa Hebrews chapter 10 verse 5. So gitawag og word is mo din na siya ang gipakatao ni Virgin Mary. Okay. Hebrews 1:8 nagaingon nga, but unto the Son he said, no? Ang God the Father nag-ingon sa anak nga, your throne, O God, is forever and ever, no? So, God the Son ang, no? Gitawag na to nag the second person of the Trinity, si Jesus Christ. So, I believe in God, I believe in Jesus Christ. John 14:1, let not your heart be troubled, believe in God, believe also in me. No? So, John 10:30, I and my Father are one, no? Gigamit niya is plural, no? So nay kauban, dili pwede nga ako maura pod ang amahan. Long. Then Philippians 2, no? 5 downwards. Nagaingon diya nga iyang gihukas ang iyang pagka Dios. Nagsulob siya sama sa tao. So he humbled himself. Nagaingon ang 1 Timothy 3:16 nga great is the mystery of godliness. God was manifest in the flesh. Sa Bisaya pa, dako gayod ang tinago sa atong tinuoan, ang Dios na dayag sa lawas. So, Jesus is the image of the invisible God. That's it. And the Word became flesh. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Please read your Bible, no? Just a guide nga how to know the truth, no? And the truth shall set you free, man. So, study to show thyself approved unto God, a workman needed not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth. So salamat sa pagpaminaw. May God bless us all. Have a nice day ahead.